What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you an awesome way that you can make money with Canva on Fiverr and other websites like Etsy and Freelancer. Let's get into it. So in this video, I'm going to show you an awesome way that you can make money on Fiverr using Canva. Now you can use the same process and you can make money on other websites like Etsy, Freelancer, Upwork, wherever you can find a spot to sell them, you can sell them. And I'm going to show you how to sell it, how to make the money, the strategy, and then we'll show you a quick tutorial on how to use Canva and how you can make this happen for yourself. And when I say quick tutorial, I mean quick because you don't need any skill. You can learn this in 5 minutes. So I was doing a bunch of research and I'm looking around and I'm like, how can we make money with Canva? For me, because I didn't know it. I didn't know how to use Canva. I know basic, bare, little, minimum, right? I spent maybe 20 minutes on Canva before, maybe a little bit more, but I really don't know anything. So somebody had said, and my research was saying that like, oh, you can do Instagram templates like for social media and stuff like that. And I wanted to do research on it. So the first thing that I wanted to do was check out Google Keyword Planner. So let's go into my computer and check out Google Keyword Planner. Okay guys, so here we are on my computer. Let's check it out. This is, just ads.google.com. You can just Google Keyword Planner and it'll take you right to it. You get inside and you want to go to the Keyword Planner is where you want to go. So right in here, we can go into the Keyword Planner, discover new keywords, Instagram templates, get results. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and put my picture up here. Instagram templates. Let's see what we get. Instagram templates, 10 to 100,000 searches average per month right now. Okay, and that's literally right now. And look, you have Instagram story templates and Instagram post templates. Now you could do this yourself, but you don't have to because I just did it for you. So, but let's check out a little bit more, right? So, okay, so yeah, Nick, okay, that's great. So how am I gonna make money with this? Well, let's also check out places like Fiverr. Let's do a search over here on Fiverr, and here we are. Okay, we're right here on Fiverr. But let's start from the beginning. And I'm gonna put in Instagram templates. Instagram templates, it's right there. Let's see what comes up. I always love doing this. So the first thing that comes up is templates, then it's Instagram promotion, template, filter, social media manager. Okay, but templates is up there. So we're gonna check out templates and let's see what people are selling for here. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of people selling. You got this level 2 seller who's done 223 reviews. Could have done more sales than that. Typically, not everybody leaves a review. You have 102 here. Now these are both level 2 sellers, so that means that they've been selling for a little while. They've gone through the trenches. They've leveled up. They've hit. They were at new seller, then they hit level 1, and then now they're level 2. So they're making money. All right. Here's a Fiverr's choice. Let's just check this one out. Now what's he selling? So he's going to do 6 social media post templates and editable source files. A great entry-level package to get started. So in 3 days, he's going to produce 6 social media templates. And then you can see his work here. If you want to go through, you can see them all right there. Now, what it is like they're just using Canva, and you can use Canva. It's totally free. It's not going to cost you anything to do this. And what you do is you go on Canva and you create a template, and then what you can do is just you give it to them and you can sell it to them. And that template you can use again and again. And I'm going to show you this in just a minute. But let's check out. Okay, so we'll come back to this. Now let's also check out Etsy. Right? Because that's what I was saying. You can make money on Etsy, and I know there's a lot of people making money on Etsy right now. So, and then you can see these people right here. Look, 236 people, 236 sales at $20. Where's my calculator right now? So what is that? 236 times 19.95. So that's $4,700. As you can see right there, $4,700.08 that they've made just by selling these templates. And what are these templates? They're just realtor Instagram templates. They've just color-coded. They made it branded. So that's all you have to do. Now, here's something that you can do. Now, look, you're getting 70 editable templates, right? So then what if we went back over here and we look at some more? So look, Halloween's coming up because right now is the beginning of September. Today's actually Labor Day, 2021. And so now we're going to focus on this one, and the holidays coming up, so this is a great way to start setting yourself up. Now this is 20 Halloween Instagram post templates with Canva, Instagram social media template, Halloween Instagram template, $2.80. They made 4 sales, but this is really great for let's say like there's a social media manager out there and they want to be festive for their client and they want to post some social media stuff. So, but look, that's $2.80, right? So now think about this strategy, and this is the strategy I want you to implement. If you can get templates for, that's 20 for $2.80, 70 for $20, 50 for $4, 500 for $45. I wouldn't even get that one. I don't know. It's just too much. And then look at some of the other ones. 10 Instagram story backgrounds, right? For $2.70. Now, you don't have to buy the stories and the posts. You could just buy the posts and you could change them into stories, and I'll show you that in just a second. But let's say I create a gig over on Fiverr, and I'll just go to level 1 sellers. Let's just go to the level 1 sellers just because I wanna see what they're doing right now. So new level sellers. Let's apply that. And I come over to the new level sellers, and look, and here's one right here. I will design an incredible Instagram template for your page, $10. So you're gonna do 3 post designs for your Instagram feed, commercial use, and editable file. For $10, you'll do 3 of them, and then for $10, and then you can take that money, you can come right over here, and you can buy, I don't know, maybe this one, 50 of them for $3.90. So you'll actually make $10. You make $6 on this, minus the Fiverr fee commission, but now you have 50 Instagram posts, and you can actually reuse those again. And you can always change the color. So once you have these, where's my Instagram? Hey, real quick, if you guys are getting any value out of this video, go ahead and smash up that like button. It lets the algorithm know that you like this video, and also lets me know that you want me to keep putting out content just like this. And also consider subscribing if you want to see more videos and learn how to make money online, because I'm coming up with videos every single week to help you make money online, to develop your strategy, and to help you develop your business. All right, let's get back to the video. Where's my Canva? So you're over here on Canva, and this is totally free. It won't take you that long to use. But right here, like, they have templates, and you can go in here and you can just do an Instagram post. You can get an Instagram post. You can come in here. Now these, I just like these ones. I think these ones are cool. Like, I think it grabs attention. That's why I love it, because if you're gonna do posts on Instagram, it's got to be, for me, it's got to pop. It's got to pop to catch my attention. If it doesn't, I'm barely gonna waste my time on it. But I really like this one. Now, let's say your business, your client wants, like, oh yeah, I like that post, but I don't like those colors. So what you want to do is you select the background here. So right now, that's that bubbly texture, so you can see it. So you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can do whatever you want with it, and I really love that design. But let's say the color wants to be different, right? So you come on over here and you come to styles after you select that element, and now we can pick different styles. Like, I like blue. Maybe the client likes blue, so you just change it over to blue, and look, you got a completely different color template. And those templates that you buy on Etsy, you can take and put them right into Canva. You can change the color theme on it, but just keep the design, so you don't have to design anything. All you have to do is change colors or change the pictures. Maybe that one's not good. Maybe I like the black. That one's kind of cool. It's faded in. If we want to change the picture, we just go right over here. Pick your uploads. Oh, here's one of me. Let's do that one. But I need to erase the background, so we're not going to use that one right now. And you can do erase backgrounds, but you have to have the pro version. But anyways, so you can put any picture you want in there. It's so easy. You just come over to uploads. You upload the file that you want from your, that's on your computer. And then you just put it right in there. You can just totally replace it, and it's so easy. And I think that's going to be your #1 way to make money on Fiverr or Etsy with just selling templates. Like, these people sell templates. I can't even believe how much money they make selling these templates. That's just crazy. Yeah, so that's basically how you use Canva. I wouldn't even bother learning how to do it right away, because what you want to do is start making money. So, you come over and you pick a template. Maybe you want this one. Maybe this one's more suited for your client or your business, whatever business they're in. Maybe they are an athlete. Maybe they're some sort of like sports team or fitness product, or they market to athletes. So how great is this for a company? If you're going to do the templates, or you're going to do their social media marketing, you can just use a template like this. Look, the racetrack right there, and you can load up any picture you want. And again, if you don't like this, if they don't like the color, so I think that's a background. So we'd have to go to the background, and then the background, can we just change that to like black? Yeah, you can change it to black, change it to red, pink, whatever color that is. I'm colorblind. Look, they have these, purples. If you want to do it in purple, you can change it to any color you want. And it's just so simple. And I really just like think that you should set up a gig on Fiverr, and then you can just buy them from Etsy and and sell them on Fiverr. As soon as you get an order on Fiverr, just go get them on Etsy, and then there you go. You can make some money. And then as that's a good way to get started. But then after you get, you want to start building up different, you want to build up your Instagram template business on Etsy, which you're just selling digital products. Like, it's all going to be in a file. When someone buys, they're going to get an auto link. They're going to click the link and download all the files, so you don't have to even touch it. So you literally just set it up once, and then you're good to go. So I really love this whole idea. I think this is the best way to make money on Fiverr right now as a beginner. If I were you, I would totally set up your gig. I would totally set up your gig on Fiverr to sell Instagram posts, Instagram templates. And look, they're all right here. You can just go in and like copy some of these people that have been doing really good. Like, she's got 42. I love the colors on this one. This one really pops. So, find somebody you like, copy what they're doing, go in here and just like, look what they wrote, and then, copy what they're writing, make sure you put it in there. So that's it, guys. It's really that simple. And that whole strategy with Canva is an awesome strategy. You don't have to design anything. All you have to do is set up your gig, market it, and then you'll get some deals. And then you'll learn how to do it. Like, you don't even have to learn how to do it until you get paid. So let somebody order, and then you learn how to do it. And then also at the same time, you can take that knowledge, and then you can start building your Etsy store. And like that whole Etsy idea of selling templates, I love, and I think it's a great idea. So if you're looking to make money online, that's a niche you should definitely go into. Now, if you really want to learn how to use Canva, there's a link in the description. I go over the best courses for Canva. In the video, I do a review to let you know what the best course is that you can take right now to become better and more proficient at Canva. How many reviews, I go what they teach you, I go over what the prices are. So, go from highest to lowest. I give you a review, and you can get one of the best courses on how to use Canva for beginners. And it's really, you're really going to be able to scale your business, because then you can start creating all those templates a lot faster, and then you can sell those templates on Etsy as you build your Etsy shop. So link in the description, and it's going to be a video where I go over all these things. So go ahead and check that out. Now, if you don't have a Fiverr account yet, go ahead and click on the videos here on the end screen. I go over a lot of that there on how to set up your Fiverr. I give you tips and strategies for beginners, how to get started and how to get rank up fast. So those are some tips for you. Go ahead and click on one of the videos here on the end screen, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.